I'm going to tell you all the different paths you can take with Python today. So stay tuned and we'll get into it. So what's good, y'all? Thanks for coming through. So today we're going to talk about the different paths you can take within Python development. And there are a lot of different options out there for you. And I'm going to discuss the different industries, skill sets, and give you guys a brief description on each thing that you can do, and also provide some resources that you can further take. And further down the road, I'll probably be making a video that goes in depth of each of these topics. So please stay tuned for those videos to come out too. But today we're just going to give a brief summary on everything so that you guys could take some tools with you to pick a path that matches your skill set. So I'm going to be talking about things such as web development, data science and machine learning, task automation, and many more things that you guys can do as a Python developer. So let's get into it. So we're going to talk about developing software. And the first one is web development. Developing web applications with Python is actually one of the most in-demand skills, with a lot of opportunities for you out there. In this field, you'll find several useful Python frameworks, libraries, and tools for developing cool web applications, APIs, and much more. Another field which Python shines in is command line interface development. CLI is what it's called. Applications are everywhere and allow you to automate repetitive and boring tasks in your everyday life with your day-to-day work by creating small and large tools for your command line interface. Creating traditional graphic user interfaces, applications for desktop environments is also an attractive option within Python. If you're interested in building this kind of application, then Python has you covered with a wide variety of GUI libraries, frameworks, and toolkits to choose from. So jumping into another category is data science and math. Starting with machine learning. Machine learning can be the first step for someone that's interested in artificial intelligence. Machine learning studies algorithms that learn through experience. These algorithms build models based on samples of training data to make predictions and decisions. Machine learning can be an intimidating field to get started with because the space is fast and ever changing, but we just all have to get started sometime. Another field is scientific computing, in which Python plays a significant role. Scientists use advanced computing capabilities available through supercomputers, clusters of computers, and even desktop and laptop computers to understand and solve complex problems. Another field is data analysis and visualization. Data analysis is a process of collecting, inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, make predictions, arrive at conclusions, support decision-making processes, and more. Data analysis is closely related to data visualization, which deals with graphical representation of data. And talking about web scraping, one of the most significant sources of information for doing data science is the web. The process of collecting and parsing raw data from the web with an automated tool is known as web scraping. Moving on to DevOps. DevOps comprises software development and general IT operations. DevOps allows you to handle the entire life cycle of your applications and software products. It includes development, testing, packaging, and deployment, and other related operations. Development environment consists of constructing a productive and effective environment for you and your teammates. It is a fundamental part of software development. To this end, Python has a great set of tools that allows you to isolate your packages, libraries, and Python version in per project virtual environments. Software packaging and deployment is another critical part of your software development cycle. It is to package, distribute, and deploy your products to your end users or clients. In Python, a quick and popular way to deploy applications and libraries is to publish them to PyPy. Most of the applications you'll build in your career as a developer will interact with data in some way. The interaction commonly happens through a database management system, which is DBMS. that allows you to define, create, maintain, and control access to your database or databases. When you're beginning with Python or with programming, you probably start by creating small programs and scripts that you can run and test manually to make sure they work as you expect. However, when your programs grow and get more complex, testing them by hand is nearly impossible. This is when automated testing comes into the scene. I hope this gave you guys enough information for you to pick something out there. I know we're all just getting started, but as we get further and further down this rabbit hole, we're going to lean towards a certain direction. So I hope what I provided is giving you guys enough information to know these different paths you can take. So thanks for coming out. I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace.